Alright. Well, keep your eyes open next time. Just watch out for us.
Yes, yes.
We're out there.
Are you gonna park there? Yeah.
Me too. I wasn't even recording because I just left the hotel leaving the meetup, and that Mini Cooper pulls out, crosses all 3 lanes right in front of me, and I've tried to brake, and I ended up skidding and hitting them sideways. I don't know how I didn't fall over, man. But no damage to the bike, that's all that matters. And me, I'm good. So just the car, so you fucking keep your eyes open. I went about my day.